You guys ready to title? You know what we're making today? I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can make a great lasagna in the crock pot. So with that being said, I don't want to over talk it. I just want to get right into this video just to show you guys just how easy this is to do. Instead of going to the grocery store and buying that big lasagna, that family pan, you know what I mean, spending that $13 to $15 for that, you can make this right here in your crock pot, make it cheesy like you like it. And then you know what? After you see what I do, I like mine medium. And listen, I kind of like kept this more so like a traditional type lasagna. The difference is when I make it, listen, I load it up with a lot of different types of meat. So listen, I use smoked sausage and all that. Didn't do it in this video, but I'm giving you guys a suggestion. You know what I mean? For those of y'all that like that meaty sauce, hey, this you can do anything and make this yours. So with that being said, you guys, let's get right into the video. All right, so here I just start off getting my, my pan ready on my induction top. This is just a new wave induction top. And so what I did was I got 1 pound of ground beef. I just want to go ahead and get it browned up and go from there. Listen, you can season yours any kind of way you want to. I did not have none of my favorite seasoning. You guys know my favorite seasoning is J.O. #2. But right here, next to that will be Laurie's just seasoning sauce. That and a little black pepper. Once you get your ground beef, brown, and you got to, season it the way you want it, you can go ahead and just use your meat sauce. I like Prego, you know what I mean? And one thing I like about it, they make that meat flavor with, and that along with that ground beef. And again, listen, I normally make mine with, ground beef. I put smoked sausage, bacon in mine. You know what? I really make a medium one. But for here, we just gonna stay traditional. And right here, you can see I got the ricotta cheese. You know what? Oh, let me just go ahead and tell you guys this. Listen. For the exact measurements for this recipe, they'll be down in the description box below. So you want to go ahead and just get your ricotta cheese, put it in a bowl. Next, you're going to get yourself an egg. You'll see right here that when I got my egg, I went ahead and just broke it over the top. My suggestion to you guys would be to just go ahead and put it in like a small bowl and go ahead and get it scrambled up and then insert it. And then you come back with your half and half milk, and then you want to go ahead and mix it all up together. Now this recipe makes about 3 layers, 3 good layers. And so what you're seeing is, this is like the last layer right here, with the beauty of editing. So once I was done here, I went ahead and put the top on there, and then it was time to set the crock pot. Very easy. High, 3 hours, start. Boom. Now here we go. This is what it looks like after 3 hours. You want to talk about a cheesy, gooey, lasagna. There it is. Hey, you can even see some of the olives, how they came up to the top. Hey, hands down, this right here is just delicious.